looks like I'm getting a hit. I'm fishing. See? I'm getting tagged. It's a nibble. Set the hook! Or maybe it's just non-condensables in this system. I don't know. I thought it was a fish. Suction's kind of doing the same dang thing. And I believe this is a piston. I do believe. Look at this. Oh! Oh! Get him! Ah! Ain't that something? Showing plenty of subcooling. If we're condensing at 115 here, some of the time, even if we call it 112, which is where it dives to, I only got 82 degrees on the liquid line. Suction line is reading. Oh, can we see it? 75 and a half, 75.3. We'll say it's 75. What do we got here? 30, 32. So we got high subcooling and high superheat. I don't know what that means.